What if I told you that time travel isn't just a Hollywood fantasy? It might sound impossible, but some of the greatest scientists in history believe that time itself is far stranger than we imagine. Every second of your life is moving forward. But what if time could slow down, speed up, or even bend? Imagine standing in front of a machine that gives you one choice. Go back and change your biggest mistake, or travel hundreds of years into the future to see what humanity becomes. Which would you choose? For centuries, people have dreamed of escaping time. Ancient civilizations imagined it. Writers turned it into stories. Hollywood made blockbuster movies about it. But here's the surprising part. Modern science doesn't completely reject the idea of time travel. In fact, some of the world's smartest physicists have spent decades trying to understand whether it could actually be possible. It all begins with one man, Albert Einstein. More than 100 years ago, Einstein introduced a revolutionary idea that changed our understanding of the universe forever. He suggested that time isn't fixed. It can actually change depending on how fast you move and how strong gravity is around you. That sounds unbelievable, but it's real science. And if Einstein was right, then the impossible might not be as impossible as it seems. So, could humans ever travel through time? Let's uncover the science behind one of the greatest mysteries in the universe.
So, can humans actually travel through time? The answer is both yes and no. Here's why. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time doesn't move at the same speed for everyone. If a person could travel close to the speed of light, time for that person would pass much more slowly than it would for everyone else on Earth. Imagine this. You board a spacecraft that travels at nearly the speed of light. For you, only 5 years pass. But when you return to Earth, more than 50 years could have passed. Your friends would be old. Your family might be gone. The world would be completely different. In a way, you would have traveled into the future. But what about traveling into the past? That's where things become much more complicated. Some scientists believe that mysterious objects called wormholes could, in theory, connect two different points in space and time. If they really exist, and if humans could somehow keep them stable, they might make time travel possible. But there's one huge problem. No one has ever found a usable wormhole. And even if we did, we don't know if a human could survive traveling through one. So after decades of research, the biggest question still remains unanswered. Will humans ever build a real time machine? Right now, nobody knows. Maybe it's impossible, or maybe we're simply not advanced enough yet. History has taught us something incredible. People once believed flying was impossible. They believed reaching the moon was impossible. They believed carrying a powerful computer in your pocket was impossible. Yet today, all of those things are real. So perhaps time travel isn't impossible. Maybe it's just waiting for the right discovery. Now I want to ask you something. If you had one chance to travel through time, would you visit the past to change one moment of your life? Or would you travel to the future to see what humanity becomes? Comment past or future below. And if you enjoyed exploring one of the greatest mysteries in science, don't forget to like, subscribe to AI Master Hub, and join us for more mind-blowing science and technology videos, because the future is closer than you think.
Like, subscribe and share.